Hey, I'm Steph from Bonnie Curtis Projects and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn the clubbing workout. Check it out. Okay, the first move to this workout is called stepping over the pile of vomit. We're going to start slightly over this way to our mat. Cool. So, start in parallel position. We're going to start with some squat walks. So, clear down into a squat. You want to make sure that your core is engaged to support your spine and your glutes are turned on. Hands clasped in the front. So we're going to take a step over this way. So step, close, once more, step, close, and then the other way. Step, close, step, close. Great. So the next part to add to this is just at the very end of the squat walk. So back into your squat. So we go step, close, step, and then we're just going to check our shoes to make sure there's no vomit on it. Then we go back the other way. So step, close, step, check your shoe. Great, let's try it a little bit faster and we'll do it 4 times. Alright, ready? And step, close, step, check your shoe, step, close, step, check your shoe, step, close, step, check your shoe, step, close, step, check your shoe. This next move is called the I can't hear you. When you're in a club and the music is so loud you can't hear anything else except the bass line. So we're going to start with in a big second position here, toes facing to the front. We're going to do a side lunge. So to do a side lunge, we flare down on this leg, making sure our toes are directly over our knees, no rolling in or rolling out. This leg is nice and long and strong, your core is switched on. Then we recover back to the center. To the other side. Bend, same thing, everything is switched on, engaged all throughout here, back to center. Let's do 2 more. So bend, up, bend, up. Awesome. So we're going to add the arms now. Arms start in this position. Really push through the heels of your hands so you can feel all these muscles under here engaging. When we flare over to one side, your hands are going to scoop around to the back of your neck and then extend out to the other side. Then we do the other arm. So around the head, to the back of the neck and out. Let's try it with the side lunge. Ready? And bend, up, bend, up, 2 more times, bend, up, bend, up. Great, let's try it a bit faster and with the counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you are. This move is called the stay away. Start to the side. So, start with your feet in parallel position. Just have your hands on your hip for now. So we're going to step backwards into a back lunge. So, front leg to the back. You want to make sure that your pelvis doesn't stick outwards and it stays in line with your spine. And your knee is off the ground. So it's about 2 inches from the ground. You should really feel the stretching here and your glutes turning on. Push back up to the starting position. Try the other side. Step back. Push up. Try twice more. Back. Up. Back. Up. Great. Now we're going to add the arms. Arms are super simple. Start here. As we step backwards, your hands are pushing outwards like this. Like you're pushing that really smelly, sweaty person away. Try it together. Ready? And step back. Up. Step back. Up. Awesome. Let's try it 4 times and a little bit faster. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This next move is called the F off, and it's inspired by when those people just won't leave you alone when you're trying to dance with your friends. So we start with our feet shoulder width apart, start with the hips Then rock side to side with a double at the end. So it goes 1, 2, 3, double 4. 1, 2, 3, double 4. The next part of this move is the arms. So the arms are going to go into a circle towards your body while your hips rock back and forth. So 1, 2, 3, double 4. 1, 2, 3, double 4. And the last part, which is the icing on the cake, is the flipping the bird. So when you get to the double, your hands flip around to here. Try it. Ready. 1, 2, 3, double 4. 1, 2, 3, double 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, double 4. 1, 2, 3, double 4. Great. So now we're going to put those 4 steps into a short combination. So we'll start with stepping over the vomit. We'll go into I can't hear you. Go into the side, which is stay awake. And then we'll go into F off. Great. I'll call it out. We'll do 4 reps of each movement. Great. Step to the side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't hear you. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and off. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! Yay, awesome! So let's do the slightly faster version. So remember, still 4 repetitions of each movement, just with a slightly faster beat. Step to the side, down to the squat. Alright, let's go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't hear you. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay away. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and off. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial video. If you like this video, you can support us on Patreon. Your support helps us make videos like this possible. Check out the link in the video description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated with our tutorial videos. We have one coming out each month. To find out more about us, visit our website or follow us on social media. The links are in the video description below. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Steph and I'm a dancer at Bonnie Curtis Projects. We are an independent dance company based in Sydney, Australia. We create innovative, genre-defying and thought-provoking work. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial video. Bye!